Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're going to be playing in makeup. Literally just to get ready with me. Playing in makeup. Didn't really know where this look was going to go. So yeah, it's kind of fun. It's pink. It's using a lot of different products. And we got some nice wing eyeliner going on there. And yes, I like how it turned out. And this day I wasn't going anywhere or anything like that. Like I said, I'm literally just wanted to play in the makeup. I'm using Profusion, Flower Beauty, some new Rimmel lipstick that I got. So first I'm going to prime my face with the Milani oil, and then we're going to use this WetnWild Dewy primer. It is a luminous kind of pearly, dewy, glowy kind of primer, and I like it. It's like a skin tone right out of the tube. It was under $5, and I think it does a good job at priming the skin, but it does not fill pores. So it does give a glow there, you can see that. So we're going to use the hard candy stick it to the pores stick here, and if I had this to do over, I would have done this first because it's really mattifying, it fills pores, and then done the dewy. For our foundation, I'm using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation, and I did use 2 pumps. I'm really loving this foundation. I just dab it on my face. I use a beauty sponge, and I'm also going to try a different day to do it with a brush because that's how I've seen other people using it as well. But it applies very nicely with a sponge. I would say definitely medium coverage. You can build it a bit, but you know. And this is a very glowy foundation, and I do agree with Raw Christie. It does get glowier throughout the day, so if you're oily, that is definitely something to keep in mind if you don't like the glowy look throughout the day. Like, look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. And I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer because I need a little bit more coverage. Yes, this stuff is crazy good. For $5, you literally cannot beat this concealer. It is the most full coverage concealer I've used personally from the drugstore, and it's crazy at the price point and stuff. It is. Look how brightening it is. Well, so this is the AOA Studio soft light powder, and I'm just gonna set under the eyes and a little bit on the nose, a little on the cheeks, like barely a little, because I still want that nice glow from the foundation, and I don't want it to be stamped out by mattifying with the powders and stuff. So we're just gonna set the areas I need to set, and we're done. Look how beautiful that foundation is. Now my nose does look a little wonky. There's some issues going on there with some zit. So yeah, disregard that. We're using the Profusion Festival palette, and I'm just going to take that nice like peachy, warm kind of skin tone shade, and I'm going to windshield wiper that in the crease. And I used Covergirl's lid lockup also on the lid before that, and that beautiful pink shade, and we're just going to build that up into the crease, and this is going to take a minute. I mean, you know, I'm just building it up. So have you guys played any good games lately or anything like that? I just finished Dear Esther, and I played it twice because I feel like I'm somewhat of an achievement hunter. So next up, we're taking the lightest shade in this palette also. I'm stamping that underneath the brow and then blending it. This is super pigmented. And yeah, I consider myself somewhat of an achievement hunter, so I've been trying to get all the achievements unlocked, and I have 2 left now, so 1 more playthrough, so 3. I got it on sale for like $2.50, and I started playing Evil Within 2, and I like horror genre games and like walking simulator stories, things like that. WetnWild concealer to cut the crease there real quick, and I'm just taking that light shade in the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just pressing that into the concealer, and then we'll go in with a little bit more pink and crisp up that line there. And we're almost done with the eyeshadow. I'm taking this dark metallic shimmery kind of pink shade, and I'm popping that in the outer corner. But yes, in my free time sometimes I do like to play games, and I'm thinking about playing Silent Hill 3 again. I bought the HD collection a while back. So these little LaColors metallic liquid eyeliners, don't sleep on these guys. Don't pass these up at the Dollar Tree. They are great. Look at this, how pigmented that is. They dry fairly quickly and they're just so pretty. I believe there was 4 to choose from, and today I don't know where I was really going at the beginning, but we just went there. Cut Crease's winged eyeliner, glitter cut crease. We're using that L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And another game, you guys, if you like horror genre, is Murder Cell Suspect. It's usually always on sale for like $3, and it's nice. Get if you like solving mystery, like murder mysteries, and just a lot of side quest content and stuff. And I really liked that game. I played it like 2 times through. And this glitter here is from Profusion, and it's an eye topper, and it's called Twinkle. And I fan that to dry. I'm just literally, if this is the first time you're doing this, I just took a very small brush and I stamped the glitter against the crease line where I cut the crease, basically. It's my very first time doing this on camera or in regular everyday life. So we will see probably a better version of this later on sometime, because I love how it looks, and I just, you know. So here we're blushing it up with a Tarte blush, and I didn't feel like doing bronzer today. And this is a Mega Glow highlighter, You Glow Girl, I believe, from WetnWild. And we're really going to get our glow on here. And I just love glowy skin. And fall and winter are definitely matte, but spring and summer, we got to glow. This is the Rimmel Kate lipstick in number 45. How beautiful. I just got this the other day. So beautiful. And I'm pleased with how the look came out, especially since we were just playing around. And Hard Candy Glow Spray, y'all know I've been loving this. I'm loving that fan from the Dollar Tree as well. And yes, that's the finished look. I hope you liked this get ready with me kind of chit-chatting video. And yes, stay tuned for more makeup and nail tutorials, reviews, all that good stuff. I thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell. Check the description box for additional links.